Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. Is there no children? Yes? Okay. Today get back to our maths class, okay? Already we have studied about the numbers and numbers name, before, after numbers. Yes? Yesterday class we have studied after and between numbers. Is there no children? Yes. Today we have to learn between numbers, okay? Which one? Between, okay? What is the after number? What is after number? After means pinnal. Yes, after means pinnal. We want to write the backward number. Before means munnal. Before means munnal. So we want to write the in front of the given number. Okay, children? Today we have to learn about the between numbers. Okay, between numbers. All of you see the board. First one heading WRITE, right. WRITE, right. THED, BETWEEN, between. Write the between number. NUMBEO, number. Write the between number, okay? After means pinnal, okay? Before means munnal. Between means in the center of the number, okay? You want to write the center of the number. Naduvil ulle ennai kandupidi, okay? Write the between number. Between means naduvil, okay? See the first one. What is this number? What is this number? 3. Yes? Then 5. The numbers between 3 and 5 is, the number between 3 and 5 is 3 க்கும் 5 க்கும் சென்டர்ல உள்ள நம்பர் என்ன? Okay? Which one is the missing number? 3 and 5. What will come? What comes after 3? 4. What comes after 3? 4. Okay? The numbers between 3 and 5 is, the numbers between 3 and 5 is 4. Okay? The answer is 4. Then what is this number? What is this number? 29 and 31. Is there no children? Yes, 29 and 31. The number between 29 and 31 is, the number between 29 and 31 is, what will come? What comes after 29? What comes after 29? 30. Okay? So we want to write 30. Then what is this number? 70. Okay? 7 with 1 0 means 70. Then what is this number? 72. Is that no? Yes, 72. The numbers between 17 and 72 is, the number between 70 and 72 is, the answer is The answer is 70 and 72. What comes after 70? What comes after 70? 71. Is that no, children? Yes. What comes after 70? 71. What comes after 71? 72. Okay. Then what is this number? 84. Okay, 84. Then what is this number? 86. Okay. What comes after 84? What comes after 84? 85. Is that no, children? Yes, 85. Okay. The numbers between 84 and 86 is 85. Okay. The numbers between 84 and 86 is 85. Then what is this number? 11. Yes. What is this number? 11. What is the spelling for 11? E-L-E-V-E-N 11. Is that no, children? Yes. What is the spelling for 11? E-L-E-V-E-N 11. Then what is the spelling for 13? What is the spelling for 13? T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13. Is that no, children? Yes. What is the spelling for 13? T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13. Now you want to find the between number. The numbers between 11 and 13 is. The number between 11 and 13 is. What comes after 11? What comes after 11? 12. So we want to write 12. Okay. What comes after 11? 12. What comes after 12? 13. Okay, children, do you understand? I hope you have understood. Now all of you take your maths classwork note. Now all of you take your maths classwork note. I hope you have taken the note. You have to write today's day and date before the margin, okay? First of all of you should mention today's day and date. Today's day and date. Then you start to write the between number, okay? You have to write today's day and date before the margin line. Then you start to write the between number. Say and write. Write neatly, okay? Write what is on the board. I hope you have completed the yesterday homework. Yes or no, children? Yes, I hope you finish your homework on the given day. Okay. Take your classwork note. Take new page. First of all, write today's day and date. Next, you start to write the heading. Okay. Now you copy the classwork. Write neatly without any one mistake. Okay. Write neatly without any one mistake. See the board and write carefully. Write fast. W-R-I-T-E, write. W-R-I-T-E, write. T-H-E-D, B-E-T-W-E-E-N, between. B-E-T-W-E-E-N, between. N-U-M-B-E-R, number. Write the between number. Between means naduvil. Okay. First one. If you complete the heading means you leave one finger space. If you complete the heading means you leave one finger space. And start to write. The numbers between 3 and 5 is. The numbers between 3 and 5 is 4. Second one. The numbers between 29 and 31 is. The number between 29 and 31 is 30. Leave one finger space and write. Third one. The numbers between 70 and 72 is. The numbers between 70 and 72 is 71. The answer is 71. The fourth one. The numbers between 84 and 86 is. The numbers between 84 and 86 is 85. The answer is 85. The numbers between 11 and 13 is. The numbers between 11 and 13 is 12. The answer is 12. Write neatly, okay? All of you have it written, children? I hope you have completed the classwork. Now we have to see the next one. Now all of you take your maths book. All of you take your maths book. Page number 9. First of all of you take your maths book. Take book page number 9. Have you taken, children? Book page number 9. See the last heading. W or I T E right. THED NUMBER number. THAT that. COMES comes. IN in. BETWEEN between. Write the number that comes in between. All of you listen. Keep your finger on the heading and read with me, okay? Shall we read once again? Children, read with me. W or I T E right. THED NUMBER number. THAT that. COMES comes. IN in. BETWEEN between. Write the number that comes in between. That is today homework, okay? That is today homework. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 questions are there, yes? Yes, that 6 is today's homework, okay? First of all, you should write today's day and date beside the heading. Children, can you hear my voice? First of all of you should mention today's day and date before the heading. And the heading பக்கத்துல today's day, இன்னைக்கு உள்ள day and date write பண்ணு. Okay? That is today homework. Now all of you take next page, book page number 10. Book page number 10. Okay, this is one new heading, number line, okay? NUMBER number, LINE line, number line, okay? This is very easy one. The number line is a line with numbers that are placed at equal distances, okay? If you start one number means each number has equal distances, okay children? We can start a number line from any number. எந்த நம்பர்ல நம்ம ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணாலும் ஒரு நம்பருக்கும் இன்னொரு நம்பருக்கும் உள்ள இடைவெளி ஒரே மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும், சரியா? அந்த கேப் அந்த ஸ்பேஸ், சரியா, ஒரே அளவில் தான் இருக்கும். இப்போ 1க்கும் 2க்கும் என்ன ஸ்பேஸ் இருக்கோ அதே தான் 2க்கும் 3க்கும் இருக்கும். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், start from the point which represents the first integer. Okay children, now we will start at 7 means 2 steps ahead. Now we will reach 9. Is that no? 7 after 2 steps means 7 after 8, 8 after 9. Now we will reach 9. Okay, we start from 0 and move to 4 means how many steps are going there? 4. 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3 and 3 to 4. How many steps? 4 steps. Okay, let me see another one. Now all of you see the book. Now all of you see the book. See the first heading. W or I T E right. W or I T E right. THED MISSING missing. NUMBERS numbers. ON on. THED NUMBER number. LINE line, number line. The first one. Now we will start it. 31. See the first one? 31. Is that no children? 31. What comes after 31? What comes after 31? What comes after 31? Say louder. 32. Is that no children? Yes. Okay. What comes after 31? 31 is there. We want to write 32. Is that no? Yes. Next, what comes after 32? 33. Then, already they are given 34. So, next one we want to write 35. 34, already they given. We want to write 35. Then they gave 36. Is that no children? Yes, 36. Next we want to write 2 circles there, yes? We want to write the missing numbers. 36. What comes after 36? 37, 38 and 39. 40 already they are given. Is that no children? Yes. 31, then 32, 33, 34 already they are given. Then 35, 36 are given. 37, 38, 39, then 40. Okay. Do you understand, children? Okay, second and third you should write. You fill that one. Second one, okay. 54. We'll start at 54. Then what will come? What comes after 54? 55. Okay, so all of you write 55. Then 56. Already they are gave 56. Then 57. All of you write 57. 58 already they are given. So you write next one 59, 60, 61 and 62. Okay. Then come to the third one 74. Then 75, 76, 77, 78 already they are given. Want to write 79, 80 given, 81, 82 and 83. Okay. Let's come to the next one. ONE1 NUMBER number is wrong. On each of the number lines given below, cross the wrong number and write the correct number below it. Okay. They are given one number line. Yes, children? And the number line la oru number தப்பா இருக்கு. ஓகேவா? அதை நம்ம கட் பண்ணிட்டு கரெக்டான நம்பரை எடுத்து அதில் ரைட் பண்ணணும். Okay? Shall we start? See the first one. Keep your finger on the number. First one is 41. Then 42 is correct. See 43. What comes after 42? 43 is correct. What comes after 43? 44. Correct. What comes after 44? 45 is correct. What comes after 45? 46. Is that no, children? 46. But they are given 55. That is correct or wrong? Wrong. Okay. you see the number line 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Okay, then they are given 55. Yes, 55. What comes after 45? 46. Yes, so this is wrong. You cut this one and write 46. Okay, cut the number and write the correct answer below it. Cut 55. Cut 55 and down we want to write 46. Okay, children. Then 46. What comes after 46? 47. What comes after 46? 47. Then 48. What comes after 48? 49. Then what comes after 49? 50. Okay, one number is wrong on the each of the number line. Okay, only one number is wrong. Then see the next one. Second one. Okay, then we will start at 67. What comes after 67? 68. 68, so correct. What comes after 68? 69. It is correct. What comes after 69? What comes after 69? 70. Yes or no? What comes after 69? 70. But they are given 80. Yes. So you cut 80. So you cut 80. Cut the number for 80 and write 70. Okay, and write it 70. See the third one. We will start at 83. We will start at 83. We will start at 83. What comes after 83? What comes after 83? 84. Is that no, children? Yes, 84. Then what comes after 84? 85. What comes after 84? 85. Then what comes after 85? 86. Yes. Then what comes after 86? 87. Is it correct? What comes after 87? 88. It also correct. What comes after 89? What comes after 89? 90. Okay, it's also correct. Then what comes after 90? What comes after 90? 91. Is that no, children? Yes, 91. But they are given 99. Yes. Is that no? Yes. So you cut that number 99. You cut that one 99. The right answer is 91. Is that no, children? Yes. Okay. Then see the fourth one. We will start at 90. What comes after 90? 91. Is that no, children? Yes, 91. Then see the next one. What comes after 91? 92. Is it correct? What comes after 92? 93 is also correct. What comes after 93? 94. This one is correct. Then what comes after 94? 95. Is that no, children? Yes, 95. Then what comes after 95? 96. But they are given 76. Yes. So that is wrong. 76. They are given 76. So you cut 76 and take and write the right answer 96. Okay, children? 96. This page is finished. Okay. Today we have studied between and number line. Okay, children? Do you understand the between numbers and number line? I hope you have understood. Is that no, children? Yes. I hope you have understood. Next one we will see the next class. Okay, children? Take care. Bye.